Friends, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope it helps you solve your problems on your 2007 Ford Edge. I had a code showing couldn't purge up the system or something like that, and it's related to the Evap system. So most of the videos that I found on the Ford Edge were for the canister, which is up here behind the intake box, and so like most of the videos are for that. But on mine, it's actually the Evap, gotta get the name right, the Evap Canister Valve Solenoid, not the purge valve. So there's a difference. And so I want to show you the location and what I'm gonna do to fix this. So let's jump in. The valve that we're gonna change is right under here, kind of go between the doors, and then it is right here. You're looking for that canister. So you got a hose right here, you got an electrical connector, and a hose right here. Mine has a clamp on it. I don't think all of them do. Like that one does not. So that's where it's at, and that's hopefully gonna fix my problem. So we'll give it a shot and see what happens. So I'm just gonna set the camera down here and film what I'm doing while I'm doing it. All right, so here we go. You'll also notice that there's this bracket here that kind of holds it on. So, and this cover right here, I'm trying to do this without taking that off, just to save some time, but as you know, in car projects, I might end up spending more time. So this clip here, this is the electrical connector. It's just got a tab on top, so you're just gonna push down on that and pull it off. And mine was really caked with crap. I already took it off once. And look at that, it's just falling like crazy. So then I'm gonna get this hose off right over here. And I'm just gonna peel that off. Okay, that's free and clear now, so that's good. Now I'm gonna try and get this one off here and see what happens. Of course, they put this up so I can't actually get to it. What the heck? Well, what I'm going to try and do is get the solenoid off the bracket and then get this at a better angle to get to this clamp. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to go look at my new solenoid just to see how that clip works back here for the bracket, and we'll go from there. Okay, I can't get that to come off the bracket, but I did check out the new part, and it is supposed to just slide that way and then come down. Okay, and looking at the new part, right, okay, and looking at the new part, you can see it should just slide on there. So I'm looking at the back side of it. If it was going in the vehicle like this, it would go in, slide on. But I cannot get mine to slide off. So I'm gonna take this plastic guard off to just get in there and get a better view. So on mine here, on this 2007, I've got 3 bolts and a push pin. The push pin is right in here, and I think you can just get under here and pop it with a screwdriver or something. And then I've got 1 bolt here, 1 bolt right here, and then 1 more bolt right here. So I'm gonna get those off, get this guard out, and then that'll give me a better view of what's going on here and how to do this and get this off. Okay, here's what I'm doing to get that to back off. So I'm putting my screwdriver in here like this. In between, there's a little slot, and I'm twisting out to get that to move back like that. And then I'm gonna slide it out. I'm gonna put my camera down though, because I don't have enough hands. So let me do that, and we'll see what happens. Man, this thing is way on there. Completely rusted on, which is weird because it's plastic, but I think it's just all corroded up and I can't get the plastic to come off, so I'm gonna take this whole other cover off, and which this bracket unfortunately is part of, and see if I can get it to come off, or at least drop it down here so that I can get it going. So we'll see. There's actually 2 holes right here in this bracket that match up with those 2 there. I was surprised. I got this bolt out, and then I went over here. I got that bolt out, and I expected the thing to drop a little bit, and it didn't. And so what I realized is that there's actually a grommet right here that you also have to get out. I busted mine. Don't really care. I'm not putting it back in. So it's still hanging out up there. Anyway, so now I was able to just pull down and get better access. It's still on there, but I wanted to show you that. And now I have access to the top of this hose clamp, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that off, which can get that out of the way so I can deal with this even better independently. So here we go with that. Hey, yay. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, now let's see if we can get this to come off of here. Loosened up a bit. Obviously, you want to try not to crack your hose. This hose is feeling really solid, so I'm just gonna trick you can do is just take a wrench and just gently pressure and just twist. You don't want to crack your hose. But this is a way to break it loose if you need. There it comes, slowly but surely. There we go. Not the best way to do it, but you can probably do it better, but that's what I'm doing. Okay. Now, I'm going to try to slide this off this way. Maybe. Have to use some prying here. Man. Well, let's investigate a bit further. Sure looks to me like that should just slide off. Yep, sure looks to me like that should just slide off right there. Huh. It's part of the fun of working on your own cars, right? All right, guys, we're gonna see if we can get this. I just rusted and I'm just taking one hand over, under, wiggling it back and forth. And it is a pain. Nope. There. Yep, look at that. It's just simply rusted to pieces and corroded like crazy. Awesome. All right, there we go, got them out. So this is the old one. You can see how gross and corroded that was. And what a pain. I say, you know, plastic doesn't rust right, but man, that rust can sure get up into that plastic. So, all right, yep, put it next to the new one, the same thing. Put this one in, and hopefully it'll go on a lot easier. All right, let's see if we can just slide it on there. Oh, look at that. Just like it's supposed to go. Much easier. Pliers. And oh, there's a little bit more. Actually, I'm going to use my screwdriver again, I think. Get this tab. Pull back forward. Just like we took it off. Like I said before, I've got this bolt. I kind of put that bolt back in, and then I just pulled down on this whole thing and twisted this. So I'm just going to push it back up into place. Actually, I just realized I might as well hook it up first. Why not, right? I got it down. Might as well. Here's that clip. That click right there. It's good. That hose on there. That hose on there. I'm not even gonna, well, I guess I will worry about this clamp. I'll just put it back so that it's on the bottom, like I wish somebody would have done for me. Right? Because that would have been so helpful in this project. There, look at that. Nice and easily accessible for the next person. Okay. So yeah, now I'm just gonna push up, bend that bracket back up. And get my bolts back on and then take it for a test drive. Thanks for watching this video on how to change your Evap vent solenoid. Not the purge solenoid, but the vent solenoid underneath. Hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully you have a way better time than I did. That was crazy trying to get that thing off. I hope yours just slides right off. So here's to happy car fixes and money in your pocket. You got this.